turn left, right into the wall.
In April 2022, Lizzy Musi's life changed forever when she found out she had stage 4 triple-negative breast cancer. It was a devastating blow, but Lizzy refused to let it control her. She bravely decided to share her journey with her fans, hoping to inspire others who were also fighting cancer. The news of Lizzy's diagnosis sent shockwaves through the racing community. Fans and friends alike rallied around her, offering their support and encouragement. They knew that Lizzy was a fighter, and they were determined to help her in any way they could. Throughout her treatment, Lizzy stayed positive and determined. She raced when she could, getting strength from her love of racing and the support of her fans. Her social media posts told her her craft. Many shared stories of how she had touched their lives, offering encouragement and support when they needed it most. One of the most touching tributes came from Lizzy's father, Pat Musi. He spoke of his daughter's strength and resilience, and how she had inspired him to be a better person. He talked about the countless hours they had spent working on cars together, and how those memories would forever be cherished. But Lizzy's impact extended far beyond the racing community. She had become a symbol of hope and courage for anyone facing a difficult battle. Her story had touched the lives of people all over the world.
To where I am today, and it came with a lot of struggles, like a lot, and I had to sacrifice a lot.
And her legacy would continue to inspire generations to come. After Lizzy's death, her family and friends established the Lizzy Musi Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to supporting cancer research and providing assistance to families affected by the disease. The foundation's mission is to honor Lizzy's memory on others. Her legacy will live on through the lives she touched, the dreams she inspired, and the memories she created. In the days and weeks ahead, fans and friends will come together to celebrate Lizzy's life and grieve her passing. They'll share stories, cry together, and find strength in knowing that Lizzy's spirit will always be with them. One of the most poignant tributes to Lizzy came from her fellow racer and close friend, Sean Ellington. He spoke of the bond they shared and how Lizzy had always been there for him, no matter what. He talked about the countless hours they had spent on the track, pushing each other to be better, and how those memories would forever be etched in his heart. Sean also spoke of Lizzy's impact on the Let's remember the words she lived by. Never give up, never surrender. Let's honor her memory by chasing our own dreams, by living life to the fullest, and by always fighting for what we believe in. Because in the end, that's what Lizzy Musi did, and that's what made her a true hero. Even through her social media posts and interviews, Lizzy shared the realities of